Amazing facts about human heart. Fact number 1. Size and weight. The human heart is roughly the size of a closed fist and weighs about 250 to 350 grams in adults. It's located slightly to the left of the center. Fact number 2. Constant work. The heart is a hard-working organ that beats around 100,000 times per day, pumping approximately 7,500 liters or 2,000 gallons of. Fact number 3. Lifelong pulsations. The heart begins beating as early as 4 weeks after conception, continues to do so until the end of life. It beats autonomously, even outside the body, due to electrical signals generated by its own special. Fact number 4. Blood vessels. The circulatory system consists of a network of blood vessels. To lay out all the blood vessels in an adult's body, they would stretch over 96,000 kilometers or 60,000 miles in length, which is more than twice the Earth's circumference. Fact number 5. Powerful pump. The heart creates enough pressure to pump blood to every cell in the body. It generates enough force to squirt blood up to 9 meters or 30 feet away. Fact number 6. Electric signals. The heart's contractions are controlled. The sinoatrial SA node, often referred to as the natural, initiates each heartbeat and determines the heart. Fact number 7. Heartbeat sound. The typical lube-dub sound of a heartbeat is caused by the closing of the heart valves. The lube is the sound of the atrioventricular AV valves closing, while the dub is the sound of the semilunar valves closing. Fact number 8. Heartbeat variations. The heart rate can vary depending on factors such as physical activity, emotions, and even the surrounding temperature. Exercise and fear can increase the heart rate, while relaxation and sleep can decrease. Fact number 9. Heartbeats in a lifetime. On average, a human heart beats around 2.5 billion times a lifetime. However, a healthy lifestyle and regular exercise can the heart rate and extend the overall lifespan of the heart. Fact number 10. Emotional connection. The heart has been traditionally associated, particularly love and compassion. It's common to use phrases like heartbroken or heartfelt to describe. Remember, these facts are just a glimpse into the fascinating world of the human